In the city of Verona, two families hated each other, the Montagues and the Capulets. Nobody remembered why the fight started. They only knew the hate was old and deep. Not until a single party did their whole world change. Romeo, a Montague, snuck into a Capulet party wearing a mask. He wasn't looking for love. He was only looking for a distraction. Only when he saw Juliet across the room did everything else disappear. The music, the crowd, even his own family name. She looked at him too, and for a moment, neither of them knew who the other one was. Only then did they speak. Quiet words, hidden behind a mask, hidden from the world. Only until midnight could they stay together that night. When the clock struck 12, they had to separate, each one returning to a family that would never approve. But it was too late. The feeling was already there. Not until they learned each other's last names did the truth arrive. He was a Montague. She was a Capulet. The one family her own family hated most. Only when she said his name out loud, alone, in her balcony, did she truly understand the danger of what she felt. They didn't care. Not about the danger, not about the families. Only until death, they promised, will anything ever come between them. Only then, in secret, did they marry, with only a priest as their witness, hoping the marriage itself might end the family war. It didn't. Not until tragedy struck did both families finally stop fighting. Only when they lost their own children did they understand what their hate had truly cost them. Only then, standing over two graves, did the Montagues and the Capulets finally shake hands. Some love stories end happily. This one didn't. But maybe that's exactly why, centuries later, we're still telling it.